Hello Indian coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, watch this video before end of July. My friends, in this video we are going to discuss the important things about Indian coin, so never miss any second of this video and make sure to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friend, first of all, let's see the current price of the Indian coin in the market. 1.27 USD dollar is the current price of the Indian coin. And furthermore, my friends, you can see the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Indian coin is present here, my friends. But my friends, you know what is the important talk about Indian coin? You can see first of all, now the latest situation of the Indian coin is positive. The last 60 minutes, last 1 hour price update of the Indian coin is positive. So that's clear, my friends. I also told you in my many videos that please hold to the last of month. Hold to the last of month. And now in nowadays, you know what? In nowadays, the old cryptocurrencies start moving upward, start jumping, same like that the Indian coin. It is the end of month, and at this time the Indian coin start jumping, my friends. So my friends, now 1 week, the coming 1 week, they continue this jump for 1 week, my friends. They continue this jump to the next 1 week. So that's why, my friends, please never sell Indian coin before end of this month. Never sell before end of this month. Just hold it, and if you want to buy more and more Indian coins, so that's really a good idea for all of you, my friends. Just hold it, never decide to sell, my friends. Hope you get profit from Indian coin. And my friends, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.